Kwambosco Electrical, what are you people doing?
We are running electrical wiring. So as you can see, this is a parlor. This is a flat anyway, and the flat is made up of 2 bedroom each, 2 bedroom flat. So we are running a wall bracket. We are looping the wall bracket. Basically, we have just 3 wall brackets in this parlor. One over there, one here, and the other one at the extreme end. I don't know if you can see it. As you can see, there's wire already there. That wire you are seeing there, the red goes to the switch, which is the branch, while the black suspends up on the roof. So as you can see, there are no wires on the POP, no wire yet. We did the wiring and suspended the wire up there while they were doing the POP. So when we want to install our lighting point, that's when we just get the exact point where the light will be.
So what stage are you guys now?
So we are looping our wall bracket, draw wall bracket with with the help of these 2 fishing tape. So this is what helps in drawing our wires through our pipes. These are conduit wiring. You can see this wire I put here, you will see it over the other side. It will come out there. So this is it. And we are using a 1.5 wire for lighting point. Now look over there, you will see the wire. You can see the wires are
Yeah,
out.
it's out.
Yeah. So that is it.
That's great.
So we reduce the length by cutting it from here. And you come and fish from here also. From this spot. You will come here.
To this spot here.
Yes. So this switch here, this switch you are seeing over here, this one controls this visitor's toilet.
Okay.
This switch controls this visitor's toilet. This one is a supply, while this one is a branch. This is
Okay.
the output. So this is a 1 gang switch. 1 gang switch will be here. And here we have like there are
How
4
many
gang
wires?
switch. There are 5 wires here, 1 supply and 4 branches. These
Okay.
branches represent the gang of switch that will be here.
Yeah.
So 1 is for outside, 1 for the center light.
Let's see the outside lights. Okay. Okay.
1 is for the chandelier, 1 for wall bracket, while the other one for the spotlight.
Okay.
That is it. So over there is AC. This is where the AC will be mounted. This is the AC point. So down here is a socket, while up there is where the AC will be mounted.
So how many of wire are you using for the AC?
4 mm wire.
Okay.
While the socket is 2.5.
2.5.
Yes.
Okay.
So fish, we are still running our wall bracket.
That's great. I can see it.